All right, back with an update. We are going to my neighbor's house, lives down the street, to start cutting pieces for the subwoofer box for the Jeep. And we have carpet for the box. And he also has wood and everything else that we're gonna need to make this thing with. So we're gonna walk down the street and get to it. I guess I'll just leave my garage open. Whatever. So let's do it. What up?
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Tired.
Are you?
How's it going?
I believe you.
Wonderful.
Did I hear him say he was wrong?
So, I was wrong.
Wait, can you say that again, but louder?
Yeah, I think
Thought I
so.
did. So I brought, I don't know if you wanted to keep it here or not, but I brought the carpet for the box.
I really don't want to, but
Okay. Well, at least you can see what it looks like.
yeah, that's great. I mean, I will since it's here now.
Okay.
But, hey, you want to put this off with the speakers? Yeah.
Can you man the...
What am I supposed to do?
Just record us being awesome.
You're not awesome, babe. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm
Record him
just
being
kidding.
awesome and I'll be standing next to him. That was rough.
I'm just kidding.
Okay,
Where's mine?
Drag it. Okay, drag it out and flip it up. Okay. Easier
Should hit it and make it more interesting.
I told Ryan to be careful. When he was like leaning over the blade running.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, blood would be cool for the video, but not cool for the hospital. And then I was like, is your mom home?
No, she's not.
Front, inside supports, ports, sides, bottom, back, top. All right, so day one complete. I don't know if you can see me, I probably look like Jesus because of the sun behind me. Maybe not, I don't know. Calm down, calm down.
You believe that.
All right, so day one complete. We got all the pieces cut for the box. Still have to cut out the holes for the subs, obviously assemble the box, and then put it in the Jeep. Still have to do the wiring for everything with the amp and everything else, which most of it's already put together. I just gotta button up a few things. So I don't know how soon he's gonna have the box done or how soon we're gonna have it in here. And then Friday and Saturday, she's gonna get wrapped. So excited. And that's awesome because that's my birthday present to me. So my birthday's actually next Saturday, and that's when she's getting wrapped. So I'm allowed to do that, right?
I'm just laughing at you.
Okay, why?
Just because you're funny. So I laugh at you.
Okay. Hi. So that's it for tonight. No idea when this video is coming out because I don't have my laptop again. So hope you guys are having a good one. Peace.